This is my painting tools. I use a shovel to remove old floor in this unit, to cut flooring. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show how nomad makes money on the road. When you travel, and you can always make money during construction. In this unit I did by painting and installing the flooring. So let's take a look. And flooring. And of course it's beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. Been freshly painted and flooring installed. Flooring. So this is the tools I use. If you need to cut the door jam a little bit to stick in your flooring, you can do that with the handsaw. And this is the process I use for that. So first of all, you make sure everything swept. And then you cut on a saw like that, and you stick it until it's click, nice and tight over there. The other piece of pixel and stabilizing gimbal and also tripod. So either I can use without tripod, or if I need to set it out somewhere, then I can use a tripod, or I can just unscrew it and use it my gimbal separately. It's very cheap and easy setup. The gimbal itself $100. The tripod is like $50. And phone like $500. Okay guys, see you next time.